Hi, this is Mary Beth from Outdoor Staycations. Today, Jerry's going to show you a hack he has for easily cleaning out the sink and shower drains in your RV.
Well, I have a light sitting here on the side trying to get some light down into this drain, and now that I can see how dark it is down there, it's probably why the mildew seems to grow. I'm going to take my tool and I'm going to run the water. You'll be able to see that the drain just backs up continually, and that's what our problem is that it's draining. So what I'm going to do is turn it down a little bit. You can see the water backing up in it, and take my nice little tool down here, and I took a picture of what it looks like before I'm starting to clean it. You can see the mildew coming out of the drain. I'm going to run some hot water in here just to try and get it, and I'm running it just quickly so you can see it. And you can see already the drain is cleared up quite substantially, and it's still, the drain is pretty clear at this point, but there's still some mildew along the side. Luckily I have some multitasking tool, so I'm going to take this one here and I'm going to clean up the sides of it. And you can still see how it is a black mold. And I'm going to take a little bit of heavier brush here for a second. The nice thing about this is I don't actually have to take anything apart, but again, you can see the blackness that it is able to get around. Like I said, the wagon wheels itself has spokes in it with the small circle in the center. It's able to get down to the center and able to clean it. You can see my drain problem is gone, at least for another month till I have to do this again. In a second, I'll move the camera over and I'll show you the drain in the shower and how we do the same thing. Well, at this point, we're going to try and do the drain in the shower, which is going to be a little bit more of a challenging because I'm going to have to turn the water on in the shower, and I can't set my camera up in the shower ahead of time because it'll probably get wet. Even though this camera is a Apple camera, an iPhone, and it's good up to 6 meters, I believe. I don't think I want to test it out, especially in today's environment where I can't send it out to get fixed. So I'm going to try and hold it while I am showing you how to clean a drain. As you can see, my shower is a little on the old side, and well, the trailer's 13, 14 years old. And we're starting to get some wears as far as the flooring in itself. But here's the drain. The drain, as you can see, is needs to be cleaned. I'm going to take the same, one of the smaller diameter ones, and start running it through. And you can see that the water had pooled up ahead of time. I do got the water running. And I'm going to chain each of the, and you can see the hair and the mold that it's trying to pull up. Like I said, we in the past have done Drano, and it turns out all it's doing is eating away the bolts. And by cleaning each of it up, and again, the mildew grows even though we clean it a lot with Clorox. And I'm going to have to cut this short because apparently my, there it is. I have the water running and it's starting to shoot in my face, and that's not very good. So, you know, trust me, I clean this one regularly, and this is the buildup that happens. And again, it's because it's an enclosed, tight environment. We probably should open up the windows. When it gets warmer out, we'll open up the windows, air it a little more, vent it a little more. But in the middle of winter in 30, 40, and 50 degrees, it's hard to justify keeping the windows open while you're paying for the air conditioning. Nice little tools that you can see, picked up hair and picked up some mildew, are found in the baby section. In this case, it was Walmart. But isn't that where America shops? It says Hughes for Outdoors. This is Hughes for Outdoor Staycations. Hope you got a little bit of knowledge. Certainly, I'm not going to say I hope you enjoyed. are cleaning the drain issue that we have. But please, if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, safe journeys to wherever the road takes you. This is Hughes from Outdoor Staycations. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and see you soon.